Want to farm money fast and grow a garden and expand your garden in no time? I've got the tips you need to start making big profits. Make sure to hit that like and sub if this video helps. Step 1, plant high value crops. First, plant high value crops that give you the biggest return. Focus on plants like shiny, radiant, and cosmic mutations. These plants not only grow quickly, but they also sell for a lot more, allowing you to farm money faster. Step 2, use fertilizers and boosters. To speed up your plant growth and increase your profits, use fertilizers and boosters. These items reduce grow times and help your plants reach maturity quicker, so you can harvest them and sell them for cash faster. Step 3, focus on crossbreeding for rare mutations. Don't just plant regular crops, crossbreed for mutated plants. Mutations like celestial, bloodlit, or disco give you significant profit boosts. Use the right combination of plants to breed these rare mutations and increase your earnings. If this is helping so far, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tips. Step 4, complete side quests for extra cash. Check out the side quests and achievements in the game. Completing these tasks gives you additional rewards like cash or special items that can boost your profits or speed up growth times. Step 5, sell efficiently. Make sure you're selling your crops at the right time for maximum profit. Sell the high value plants first and avoid selling too much of a single type at once. Diversify your sales and check the market to see what's in demand. Step 6, upgrade your garden. Use the money you make to upgrade your garden. The more land and space you have, the more plants you can grow, which means more crops to harvest and sell. The quicker you expand, the more money you can farm. That's how you farm money fast and grow a garden. Plant high value crops, use boosters, crossbreed for rare mutations, and sell wisely to maximize your earnings. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more tips and comment for any other how-to you might need.